Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you 3 smaller crochet edgings. These include the reverse single crochet, the twisted single crochet, and the reverse slip stitch. For the reverse single crochet, also known as the crab stitch, we'll start off by placing a slip knot on our hook. Then we'll insert our hook into the opposite end of where we normally would crochet. Yarn over and finish the first single crochet stitch. Now we're going to work in reverse. Insert your hook into the next stitch, under both loops. Yarn over and draw up a loop. Really pull that loop up a bit. Yarn over and finish the reverse single crochet. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, and finish the reverse single crochet. And I'll do this again. Insert hook, draw up a loop, yarn over, and finish the stitch. At the end, I just cut my yarn, fasten off, and weave in the ends. The next one is the twisted single crochet stitch. It looks similar, but is made in a completely different way. Insert it into the first stitch and make a slip stitch. Chain 1. Insert your hook into the next stitch as if you were doing a regular single crochet. Try to really draw up that loop. Now we're going to twist our crochet hook like this. Yarn over and finish the twisted single crochet stitch. And we'll move on to the next stitch. Insert the hook, yarn over, and draw up a tall loop. Twist the hook like this. Yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook to finish the stitch. It's important to really draw up that loop in this stitch so you have enough yarn to be able to twist and then pull through. You can see what this looks like. At the end, just fasten off and weave in ends. And finally, the reverse slip stitch produces another interesting border edging. Place a slip knot on your hook, then slip stitch to the first stitch. And chain 1. Similar to the reverse single crochet, insert your hook into the next stitch. Catch the yarn and draw it through. Twist your hook slightly upwards and draw it through the remaining loop on your hook. And chain 1. I'll do this again. Insert hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, then draw through everything. Chain 1. And one more time. Insert the hook, catch the yarn, and pull it through the fabric and the remaining loop on your hook. Chain 1. You can see what this looks like. At the end, just fasten off as before. So these are just 3 ways of creating a smaller border edging for your crochet work.
To get more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.